Hey, this is Brent at Fadley's Automasters, and I am here to talk to you about some GM 5.3 liter V8 engines that may have a ticking noise or an upper engine noise. Seems like it's coming out of the left or right valve covers. And we've just run into two of these in the last week. And today I just want to show you some of the problems that we've run into. This is coming from a faulty or stuck AFM lifter, or what they call an active fuel management lifter. So what that does is lets a V8 run on 4-cylinder power under light load for fuel economy. This is becoming an issue, and if you do hear a noise coming from the upper left side of the motor or the right side of the motor towards the valve cover, you may have a faulty lifter. This one here today come in with a cylinder 1 misfire and a loud ticking noise coming out of the left valve cover. And what we found was that the number 1 cylinder lifter wasn't collapsed at this time, but it definitely had damage, as you can see in this picture here. And after further investigation and tear down of the cylinder head to inspect the camshaft, you can see that there was damage now done to the camshaft in this picture here. So this is not an easy fix, and if you do hear a noise, get it checked out as soon as possible. It could come from a number of things. In this case, nothing was done wrong. It just happened that the lifter failed, and going to cost some money to get it fixed up. In this case, we have to not only replace the lifters, but you'll be looking at replacing the camshaft or doing a motor swap. The last two vehicles we had, they were fairly low mileage, 60 and 82,000 miles, so don't let it go too long. If you hear a noise that is abnormal, give us a call here at Fadley's Automasters, and we can help you. So hopefully this information gets out, and again, General Motors 5.3 liters with the active fuel management system. Keep an ear out on your engine if you happen to have a ticking noise or you're getting some misfires from cylinders 1 and 4, and we'll get you fixed up. Enjoy.